What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming at you with another video, y'all. Hey, this video gonna be short and sweet, man. Hey, today is Thursday. Tomorrow, Good Friday. Your boy is off, so I'm gonna do some riding cause it's a great weekend. The sun's shining right now, so it's gonna be a nice day tomorrow and all weekend. So yeah, UPS, not for me. But yeah, y'all, today y'all just want to talk to you about if you're rocking the Khrome Werks 2-in-1 exhaust system, y'all. And one reason I want to talk to you about this is because there's one little part that a lot of you might not be rocking inside of your Khrome Werks 2-in-1. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the reducer right here. This is the reducer for your Khrome Werks 2-in-1. It's actually two baffles that you can use. This is a baffle, but they call it a reducer as well. But this, you can get this on Khrome Werks site. You can get it on Revzilla, and I think you can get it on Cycle Gear. And I think it was one more, maybe JP Cycles that you might can get this on. But this here, it plays a very important part on your horsepower and your torque. Yes, it does. I know it's a small piece. You probably like, what does it do? But I'm gonna tell you, when I got the bike dyno, y'all, when I got this baby dyno, I had this in at first. I had this reducer in. So I got great numbers with this reducer in. So I wanted to get my bike dyno two ways, with this and without it. I wanted to see what kind of power it was actually making. So we dynoed it with it. It got pretty good horsepower on it. But y'all, we dynoed it without it. I lost horsepower. I lost horsepower and I lost torque. I lost like 6 or 5 pounds of torque, something like that, and the horsepower. So hey, this part right here, the reducer from Khrome Werks, I got one in here right now. I'm going to paint it. I'm paint it black. But yeah, you need this in your Outlaw 2-in-1. It doesn't muffle the sound at all. It gives us a different sound. I mean, it gives it a real choppy, not like, you know what I'm saying? You know how Khrome Werks is. It's really deep and it just when you crank it up. But this give it a very distinctive sound. It's almost like a D&D sound or a Sonny sound, but it sounds really good, y'all. I'm telling you, when you get on it, this baby makes some noise. Even when I crank it up, I'm gonna crank it up. Even though I'm in the garage, I'm gonna still crank it up, let you hear it. But this part right here plays a very, if you're looking for the horsepower and torque, this plays a very important part in getting that horsepower and torque. All right, like I say, I have one in here right now. It started to rust a little bit, but what I'm gonna do, I got some heated paint. I'm gonna score it up real good. I got some paint that's up to 550 temperature right here, and I have another one as well for the heat and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna paint this so it won't be looking like rust and stuff right now. I'm gonna show it to you here in a minute how it starts to look rusty, and I don't like that. But yeah, make sure you get this. But I'm gonna show you the inside of this really quick. All right, y'all. Now you can see that. I don't know if you can see it very well. It started to rust just a little bit. So I'm gonna paint it black, y'all. I'm gonna pull my cap off, pull this off, and I'm gonna score it up pretty good. And I'm gonna actually paint it black. So yeah, that's the reducer right there, y'all. So you see how that looking there? It's rusty. So I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna score it up real good, paint it black so it can just be black on the inside of here. So yeah, I'm gonna crank it up for you all, man. We're gonna get ready to end this video. I'm gonna let you hear how it sounds. Even like I say, I know I'm in the garage, but even if I pull it out here, you still gonna hear that nice crisp sound that it has. You can check some of my early videos when I walked out here and started this up, and you heard how it sounds. So, but we're gonna pop it on real quick and let you hear how Khrome sound. It's a beast, baby. It's a beast. So yeah, make sure you get this reducer. Let me see. Now let's listen to it. I'll give you a great sound. Yeah. As you can see, y'all, you can see that, you hear that. It still gives you a great sound, so you really are not losing anything. But when you hit this baby, it will get up and go. But like I say, make sure you check out chromewerks.com and make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button for your boy. I really appreciate it. I'm almost to 5K, y'all. Make sure you tell family and friends about the channel, y'all. I got something coming up from Ultra Cool. I'm gonna tell you more about it here later when something arrives. I'm doing a giveaway from Ultra Cool, and I got a discount code for you. Yeah, stay tuned so you can get this discount code that I have. I'm gonna tell you more about it. I'm definitely gonna tell you more about it. I'm giving enough away right now. So man, till next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed one. Y'all enjoy this beautiful weekend. This is gonna be Good Friday tomorrow, so we know what we celebrate on this Sunday. You all already know. So, but hey man, till next time, I'm out of here. Peace. Y'all have a blessing. We rolling, man.